Hello everyone. So before we go into this video, I want to ask a question. What is discipline? Do you have any idea what's the meaning of it? Okay, I'll just explain it myself then. I'll just define it as discipline is doing what you hate to do, what you have to do, your duties, your responsibilities, regardless of how you feel. And most of the people think that success comes from motivation, but motivation fades. It's just a temporary fix. And actually, discipline is what keeps us moving forward when we don't feel like it. Like I said, discipline is doing what you hate to do and you love it. It's like waking up early in the morning to study when you don't feel like it, going to the gym when you're tired, and neglect the distractions and focus on your goals. That is discipline. So why is it important? Because every steps we take, every discipline actions that we take, like how can I say, compound over time. For example, if you just read 10 pages a day, you will have read over 12 books in a year. That is the power of consistency through discipline. And another fact is that most of the people think that discipline is boring, and actually, discipline is freedom. And people will find it confusing. People will think that the disciplined guy is also always he's so serious. He don't know what is fun. He can do what he wants to do and things like that. But it is actually the complete opposite, because when you are disciplined with your time, your study, your career, your goals, your health, you will get more control over your life. And on the other hand, the undisciplined guy, he's just being a slave to his emotions and his impulses. That is the key difference. And another interesting factor is about the mental strength. There's a neuroscientist called Andrew Huberman. He is also a professor, and in one of his podcasts, he said that there's a new research finding that there's a certain area of a brain called anterior midcingulate cortex, and what they found out about is really fascinating, because they found out that when people do things that they hate to do, that area of the brain grows, and that specific component of the brain is the baseline of mental strength and mental resilience. So it means that discipline builds mental strength. When you are disciplined, you will get more control over your life, and you will get stronger mentally and physically. And so motivation may start the journey, but discipline is what finish it. So do the hard work, especially if you don't feel like it. Thank you.